Hello children, today we are going to learn new chapter algebra. Algebra nothing is there, it's a branch of mathematics. In mathematics three branches are there. One is arithmetic and geometry and algebra. So now we are going to learn about algebra. What is algebra? Now I explain with the pattern. That pattern we are going to make with the matchsticks. Okay. Here, see the picture is a L shape. That is L. Is a English alphabet L. For making of one L, we need a two matchstick. Correct? For a 2L, 4 matchstick. So like that we can use so many L's. Okay. With that, how we can write as a algebra. So number of matchstick required 2n. That is the idea we get after using the pattern. The 2 mention number of matchstick for making a 1L. Like that, we don't know how many L we need to make. For that, we can use the alphabet N. So that is 2N. This 2N, this is the algebraic writing. Okay, algebra, we can write 2N. So here I have written 2 represents number of matchsticks to make L. N represents number of making L. How many L we are going to make, that we don't know. That we can mention in the any alphabet, not only N. A, X, Y, any alphabet we can mention. So this is the algebra explanation. So with that we can write answer in the exercise questions. Okay. The idea of a variable with matchstick pattern. Okay. See the first question. Find the rule which gives the number of matchsticks required to make the following matchstick patterns. Use a variable to write the rule. Okay. See here question is a pattern of letter T as T. So letter T we have to make a pattern. So for making a T, how many matchstick we need? So on top one matchstick, this vertical line one matchstick. So we need a 2 matchsticks for making a T. Like that, how many T we want we can make. That we don't know how many T we want. So that's why we can mention any alphabet. So I have mentioned N. So for that T making we need a matchstick too. So number of T we can mention N. So 2N is the answer. Next pattern Z. Z on top one line, the slanting one line and down one line. So totally 1, 2 and 3. 3 matchstick need for one Z. So like that, how many Z we can make? So the answer is 3N. Next, a pattern of letter U. See, U, this straight line 1, this sleeping line 1 and again this straight line. Here also totally 3 matchstick we need. So that answer will come 3N. So for one make a 1U, we need a 3 matchstick. That N represents number of U you can make. Like that, other alphabet also you can check. Okay. Next question. Cadets are marching in a parade. There are 5 cadets now. So small mistake. 5 cadets in a row. What is the rule? which gives the number of gadgets given the number of rows. Use n for the number of rows. Here they have given in the question, we have to use the letter n. Okay. See the question. In a row, 5 gadgets are there. So like that, how many rows it will come? We don't know. So that only we are mentioning n. So the answer is 5n. So 5n writing is enough. Okay. In the bracket for the explanation I have written. Next, if there are 50 mangoes in a box, like that, how many boxes it will come? So here they have told to mention the letter B. So we have to mention B. 50, B is the answer. So 50 is a number of mangoes in a one box. B mentioned number of boxes. Okay. Next, use of variables in a common rules. That same variable in the common rules how we are using. So in the geometry, already we had seen the formulas. Perimeter of square P equal to 4L. Perimeter of rectangle P equal to 2L plus 2B. Like that, in the arithmetic also we can use the variables. Okay. Now come to the exercise. The side of an equilateral triangle is shown by N. Express the perimeter of the equilateral triangle using L. So it's very easy. Already we know the formula. Perimeter of equilateral triangle. So sum of all the three sides. This also L and this side also L. So 1, 2, 3. 3L is that is the answer. Next, they have given the cube. In the cube, we have to find out total length of the edges of a cube. So this is edges. Like that, how many edges are there? So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So like that you can count with a given picture. So total length of the edge of a cube is 12L. Next, in the adjoining figure, they have given a circle. In that circle, AB mentioned in the diameter, CP is a radius. But what we have to express? The diameter of a circle in terms of its radius. So here, from here to here, radius I have told you. Then C and A also radius. C and B also radius. So 2 radius will become a diameter. So diameter D equal to 2R. Thank you, children.